Hi guys, how you doing? Ethereum Classic just did one of the most important moves that it has to do before it actually goes, and pumps big time towards upside. Now Ethereum is pumping, Ethereum is actually doing better than Bitcoin right now. A little bit, it's still 4%. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum are 4%, but Ethereum Classic is following along and it's about, follow after Bitcoin and Ethereum, even pump more than that. Why? Because Ethereum Classic pumps always when Ethereum pumps. So as long as Ethereum is going up, as long as Ethereum is doing well, Ethereum Classic is gonna do well as well. That's just how these things works. Now that said, it did something very, very important, and the very important part up here is this candle up here. Not this last candle, but this candle before that, because this is weekly time frame and we just managed to close the weekly candle above major level of resistance, and right now we're just consolidating over here at the top and waiting actually for the next move towards the upside. So if you see over here on the daily time frame, you'll see how we managed to get above that, zigzagged up here a little bit, continue towards upside. Right now we're retesting it as support, so we are looking for this move up here and then move towards the upside over here. So this looks actually very good, and the next, right now you'll see that the reason why we are stopping over here, or we are trying to break that, is because we got this 36 level resistance level that needs to be broken. So if you look at this on the weekly time frame, you'll see that we just came just shy of that 36k resistance. On the daily time frame we managed to break that, but pulling back, but it's technically still cleared, and right now the room is open for pumping more towards upside, but there is definitely a resistance level there, and right now we need to clear that and go towards upside. Once we start going towards upside up here, a couple of levels up here are important. 47 level up here is important up here to break that. We got a couple more levels over here towards upside, and these levels are very, very tight together. I mean, this is like, I think that is like 10% between all of these levels up here. There's also one over here, but you can say there are actually two blue boxes over here, resistance boxes that needs to be broken. So between 47 and all the way up here to 54, those are two levels that are very major levels. So the blue box up here, and then less blue boxes up here at the top at something like $63 to $70 over here at the very, very top over here. So when is that gonna happen? How are we gonna break that? Depends a little bit on how fast this actually moves, but right now we are doing the very, very first move right now outside of this channel towards upside, and we need to break the blue box over here and over here actually to get to all-time high. Now this can take a little bit while, but at least we know where the next target is, right? So right now next target is at least 30 to 40, let's say 30 to 50% towards upside. Up here towards the next blue box is like 70% towards upside, but it's already going. So this already starting looking good, and totally I should just update you on how we are actually doing, because last video on Ethereum Classic we did it down here somewhere, I don't know, but it was actually looking also building up a little bit, but right now this building up is actually playing into something, and that's actually the breakout out of the channel. And this is the very first channel. All altcoins have, not all altcoins, but most altcoins have these kind of channels, and this is the very, very first move before the big moves towards the upside. Guys, it looks very, very good. Down below in the description there is a link to our community, the TA Fans Club community. We do a lot of altcoin videos. We talk about charts. We got a live streams for members and all of that. You can see over here we got members only videos. So you're welcome to check these links down below, and you can see here we did the video 2 hours ago. A lot of coins increasing in trend, so we check out 100 coins, stuff like that, because it's very hard to figure out what's gonna pump next time, 20%, what's gonna dump, what's at the top, what's at the bottom. That's the only thing we do. What's at the bottom, what's at the top, what's pumping, what's next to pump, right? Check out the channel. You also get access to our private Telegram group, but we also have a public Telegram group that you might join if you want to join that. It's gonna be nice and handy because a lot of people posting memes, talking about stuff and stuff like that. Guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you around. Very interesting charts, definitely. Bye bye.